Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very quick Warhammer 40k Imperium update video. I'm going to go through this pretty quick, so no real proper introduction like normal. But Warhammer 40k Imperium, it's apparently out today. However, I haven't got a video to do on it because I can't find issue 1 anywhere. So I went into quite a few different places. I went 7 different shops to try and get hold of a copy. This includes Tesco, Sainsbury's, Asda, WH Smith's, a local paper shop, in even the Co-op nearby, and yeah, nothing. So I will get a video done as soon as I can get hold of an issue, hopefully in the next day or two. So apparently it's out. It's, you know, as you can see here, it's available in stores August 25th. Yeah, not sure what's going on. I mean, the magazine should be really good. You've got a lot of good stuff coming with it, a lot of good units, a lot of awesome units. But yeah, it's just a mystery as to when I'm going to be able to get my hand on it. But what I did want to say is there may be a reason for it. Now, the reasons that could be causing why pretty much nobody can get hold of their copies of the first issue is because, one, either Hatchet Partworks have been pretty terrible and not gotten it out to people on time, which, you know, I'm not going to lie, seems quite possible, it's quite plausible. I know that Mortal Realms was several times where issues were delayed and late and stuff like that, so I wouldn't be surprised. It could be no one stocking it, or it could be because they're waiting to stock good old Warhammer stores. So, I don't know if this is the same for every Warhammer store, but my local Warhammer store is stocking the magazine. Now, I didn't get to go and get a copy from it. I only saw the poster in their window because they were closed for the day due to them being a lone working store and the member of management or the person running the store being on holiday and not having any cover, so they weren't open. I weren't able to go in to see if they had copies of it and try and get one, or it could just be late deliveries everywhere. Who knows? I'm not 100% sure, but as soon as I get an issue, I will do a video on it and we will see what's going on with it as well. I'm excited to get going on it. I'm looking forward to it. Still haven't decided what colour I'm doing my Space Marines yet, in all honesty, but yeah, we'll see. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. Just a very short update, but yeah, as soon as we get a copy, a proper video for you. Right, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye now.